understand how to multiply two numbers whose base is different according to Vedic maths. As you can see here, the base of 1002 and 83 will be different. The bases of both the numbers are different. The base of 99, 95 and 24 will be different. So how can we multiply both the numbers? Here, the bases of both the numbers will be different. Today's method will apply to those numbers whose bases are different. So how can we easily multiply such numbers according to Vedic maths? We will understand this. First of all, we will write the bases of both the numbers. We have taken the base of 85 as 100 because 85 is very close to 100. Now you will see that there is a difference of 1 and 0 in the bases of both the numbers. So to equal the base, we will multiply 85 by 10 because there is a difference of 1 and 0. So this will be 850. Now we have to multiply 850 by 995. For both the numbers, we have taken the base as 1000 because both the numbers are very close to 1000. Now both the numbers have the same base. What is the base? 1000. You will see that 850 is less than 1000 and 150 is less than 1000. At the same time, 995 is less than 1000 and only 5 is less than 1000. Multiplying will give you 750. This is the answer of your right-hand side. To get the answer of your left-hand side, if you multiply 850 by minus 5, and if you multiply 995 by minus 150, you will get 845. This is the answer of your left-hand side. Write both the answers like this. Now to equal the base, we multiplied by 10. To get the final answer, we will divide this number by 10. The 0 at the back will be removed. You will get 84575. Your answer is ready in front of you. Let's move ahead. First, let's take the base of both the numbers. We have taken the base of 1005 as 1000 because it is very close to 1000. If you see the difference in the base of both the numbers, there is a difference of 1 and 0. So we will multiply 99 by 10. We will get 990. Now we will multiply 990 by 1005. We have taken the base of both the numbers as 1000 because both the numbers are very close to 1000. 990, where 10 is less than 1000, where 1005 is more than 1000. Here you will see that both the numbers have the opposite sign. That is why when we multiply them, we will get minus 50. But if you look at the base, we took the base as 1000, which has 3 zeros. So we will not write minus 50 here, we will write minus 050 because we need at least 3 digits. So here we will get minus 050. Now if you multiply 990 by plus 5, and multiply 1005 by minus 10, you will get 995. When you multiply minus 50, you will get 950. This is the answer of your right-hand side. To get the answer of the left-hand side, you will subtract 1 from 995. You will get 994. This is the answer of your left-hand side. To equalize the base, we multiplied by 10. Now to get the final answer, we will divide by 10. So we will get 99,495. This is the answer in front of you. Let's move ahead and look at another question. Now we have to multiply 86 by 9,995. First, we will write the base of both the numbers. We took the base of 86 as 100, because it is very close to 100. At the same time, 9,995 is very close to 10,000, so we took its base as 10,000. Now you will see that there is a difference of 20 in both the bases. To equalize the base, you will multiply 86 by 100. This will be 8,600. Now we will multiply 8,600 by 9,995. We took the base of both the numbers as 10,000. Now for both the numbers, we took the base as 10,000, because both the numbers are very close to 10,000. 8,600 is less than 14,000, while 9,995 is less than 10,000. Now we will multiply both the numbers. Our answer is 7,000 in 4 digits. This is the answer of your right-hand side. To get the answer of your left-hand side, even if you subtract 5 from 8,600, and even if you subtract 14,000 from 9,995, your answer will be 8,595. This is the answer of your left-hand side. Write both the answers in this way. But the final answer will come when you divide this digit by 100, because to get the base equal, you multiplied 86 by 100. When we divide by 100, the 2 zeros at the back will be removed. The answer will be 859,570. Your answer is ready in front of you. So you saw that according to Vedic maths, you solved such a difficult calculation so easily.